Oh, okay. So it's another day, another time to go out and get some more cars. But I don't know which ones we're actually grabbing today. Because there's 5 of them we gotta grab before our friend Buck sells out. Because there's 2 extremely serious companies that are looking to buy them out. So before I forget, the one video that I actually did make when I was going out there, the record button was actually not working on the other camera for some reason, so I gotta look at that, see why it was sticking and everything. We'll look at that one stack of the 39 and 40 for that one gentleman that's inquired about it, and the one gentleman that asked for the 66 Ford Fairlane parts. He says he has 66 and 67 parts, but not full cars or anything, so you're gonna have to call him. I'll put, his information down in the description, but not his phone number, because you'll have to look that up, because I know how YouTube doesn't like that kind of stuff. But when we get over to Goodro's Auto Salvage, then we'll decide on what kind of vehicle to grab. Also, too, thanks very much for blowing us up a little bit, because last week we actually gained 8 subscribers, and 2 this week so far. It's quite awesome. So we're actually doing something right. So I don't know how this camera is going to look, because it's the only decent one recording. Well, I have another one, but when you record with it, it goes click, 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 click. So if this one goes out, then the quality is going to get even a little bit worse. So, but we're going to be getting a new camera soon, one that's kind of professional, somewhat, but it's actually extremely good for its price range. So for now, I am going to hang this up and talk to all of you when we get over to the garage, or to the salvage yard. It's early morning. I'm waking up. Right here. Of course, I'm not interested in it because it's a Chrysler or Rambler. No, I don't want it. Yeah. Well, so it's going to be interesting to try to get this out, but we're trying to figure out which vehicles to grab, and this one's going to be the one first, because this is the 4x4 project, the second one. So this is the one that we passed up for the 56 F6, so we figure it's like, well, why not? You don't really see too many people here, grabbing these, and we like saving trucks too. So this is a 1944 I don't know, 1 ton something. Sorry, the camera. If I flip the lens over, it'll die. But I need to get stuff figured out here. Tighten it or more? Alrighty. Uh-oh. Is this a 40 or 41?
40 or 41.
Okay. That's not good. You can't get into the cab. It's heavy.
Huh?
It's heavy.
I got some of those there.
Oh, is that the one that just kind of...
They kind of clip in.
Yeah, the clip, yeah.
Okay, I guess we'll see if we can move it, huh?
Yeah, I guess so. Because I don't know if it's still in gear or not. Because I didn't see the rear wheels move. This is going to be interesting. Because the rear wheels did not move. Looks like he got it.
No, it's a neutral, but you don't know if the rear end's gonna be.
Yeah, well, he's going for it. I want to back up here. Come on, girl. It needs a new engine. It's got a compression problem. I'm going to stand right here. Come on, girl. I know your engine's tired. Oh, there we go. It's locked up. Oh, it's really locked up. Well, it's out. Wonder what it has for it. Looks like a big old flathead. Ooh.
This is all there, ain't it?
Yeah, I'm surprised it's all there. Do you think that is 100?
I'm not too sure.
Yeah, that's... We could definitely save this back for something else.
Yeah, I'd save that flathead back.
Damn right. Have to strap that down.
Save flathead.
Well, of course. Probably redo that and turn it into a bike. There we go. Hold on. Alrighty, scooted you guys back just a little bit more. So yep, it's like a 40-41. This is our 4x4 project number 2. We got the 48 and this. Alright, this last bit is for that gentleman that asked about the 3940. Now this has been here since we were both in high school ages ago. When we were in our teens, and it's like 30, 20, well, probably 20 something years later, but yeah, it's sitting on another one just like it, but that one's just kind of long gone.
She's been here a while.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know, I know you could definitely save this, but I don't know how.
Well, you can save everything.
Oh yeah, it's just, looks like it still has the flathead in it. Not sure what size it is. Of course.
Walk around, do a full walk around for him.
Yeah, I'm going to since he asked about it. Because I don't know how much you'd want this. Of course, you Goodro's Auto Salvage at Scottsbluff, Nebraska. I'll put it down in the description. I mean, it looks okay, but again, I don't know how it is. Of course, you have to get some new doors. Because that's kind of, well, that's good. Got the old, I call those half shoes. Springs in the back. Yeah, I don't know if the frame's any good or not though. Bumper's still kind of there. Got a split. Of course, these aren't too hard to replicate. Huh, Hobby Dime. Oh, it's even got the original tail light for the license plate. I don't know if this will. Oh, yeah, it will open. Oh, yeah. Of course, those is a bar because you actually get them up so far and they actually lock right there in that little loop. Yeah. I mean, looking at it for you, it's not too bad. But again, I don't know how that frame is because I really can't. Let's see if we can't get it. Yeah. There's some. Of course, the little wheel well right there. I always see them rotted out there on any gear. Oh yeah, this is still there. Of course, I can't open that up because that's wedged. It's too far up. I mean, you could probably save the bottom one, but
I look at the front, she still has the.
oh yeah, look at that.
Couple other things that usually end up walking off.
Yeah, the light bezels and everything are still there. How about that? It's not bad for a little two-door sedan.
It needs a lot of TLC.
Yeah, I don't know how it's gonna look. I'll look at it when hopefully that's a good view. So I flip the lens, well, the monitor up, this thing will die. So, well, 3940, I mean. And why I'm far back? Because the camera died, because I flipped the screen up too far. So, I mean, if you want to tackle this, it's fixable. Looks like the frame's just kind of rotted down. Of course, I don't know what damage and stuff will be to the frame. But, yeah. So, if you want to call him about it, you have to be serious. Because he doesn't mess around with anybody that's, you know, all talk. So, again, I'll be down in the description For Goodro's Auto Salvage, Scottsbluff, Nebraska. You have to look them up and get the phone number yourself because YouTube has no idea about that. So, that pretty much ends things there. And again, for the other gentleman, I can't remember your name, he does have 66, 67 Fairlane parts, but not a full car, so you'll have to call him and ask about stuff, see what you can actually figure things out. So that pretty much ends it there. I'm not going to show unloading that because it'll take a while, but so we're going to head on out. So if you want to keep contact with us, you know, subscribe, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, stuff like that. We reply to mostly everything. So this is one vehicle down, and we'll get another one next week. And I don't know how it's looking on camera, because like I said, if I flip this screen over, it's going to die. So one down, we got 4 more to go. Next week we might either tackle the 66 or the Bonneville. Not quite sure yet.
There's 2 66s, a 63, and a 47.
Yeah, we got a 66 Galaxy parts car. It's going to get entirely processed. The 66 Bonneville, the 63 Mercury, and then the 47 Lincoln Club something, which they only made like Club Coupe. Like
801.
Yeah, like 803 or 830 something. It's something around there. They didn't make too many of them. It's a V12. So, and we got connections where we actually can get a V12, but we're not situated for a V12 because they're a little expensive, but that's fine. But we're just going to grab the car and everything. So, we're going to skedaddle on out. So, again, subscribe if you like the video, thumbs up, share it, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram. If you don't want to, that's fine. So, this is Aaron and Tucker signing out for now, and we'll catch you all later. Have a good one now, and take care. Not too bad.